If you have dry, crepey skin on your eyelids and around your eyes, yeah, no, it's a big problem for a lot of people. Well, this video is for you today. And we're not just talking about eye creams either. We're going to talk about how to really impact and improve the skin around your eyes and on your eyelids. So stay tuned. Well, hey everybody, welcome back to Skincare with Chris Gibson. If you're not familiar with who I am, I'm Chris, obviously, and I'm here to help you find skincare products that will work for you, not empty your wallet, and not do more harm than good. So if that's your thing, hit that subscription button and that little notification bell so that you know when my new videos are up each week. Okay, unlike wrinkles that happen around your eyes and your mouth because of the repetitive motion of the muscles in your face, crepey skin is another problem altogether, and it's really traced back to sun damage. So the sun's UVA and UVB light over time damages the elastin in your skin, which is the structure, the fibrous structure in your skin that makes your skin taut and be able to stretch and go back to where it was before. And think about how many times a day you blink your eyes. I mean, your eyelids get a constant workout. And since our eyes are the primary emotional focus of our face, they get a lot of attention from us in the mirror and from everyone else. So the question then is, can we reverse crepey skin on our eyelids? And the good news is, the basic answer is yes, to a great degree, you really can. Now, first, the obvious fix is going to be hydration, because the skin around our eyes, and particularly our eyelids, being very thin, does not have the same amount of oil-producing glands that the rest of our face does. And of course, as we get older, what happens? We produce a little bit less oil, so the wrinkles appear and this crepey skin problem pops up. So hydration, very important. Products that contain hyaluronic acid, or HA, can be very, very helpful for this issue because hydration plumps the skin back up pretty much instantly and kind of smooths out all of that dry crepiness. Now, there are several different products you can use for this, but one great product that you can use that can be applied several times a day is Neutrogena's Hydro Boost Eye Serum or gel. So that is a hyaluronic acid product. It doesn't have any other type of ingredients in it. It's just for hydration. It's for that quick pick-me-up, or before you go out or put on your makeup, or if you're a guy throughout the day, you could dab a little bit of that onto the eyelid and around the eyes, and you're going to get that extra hydration that your skin really, really does need. Now, next, it's really important to think about treating the eyelid area for crepiness in the long run. And the way that we do this is we use products that contain retinols and or peptides. And the reason for peptides help rebuild that structure, help repair and reverse sun damage and those fibers that keep your skin smooth and taut. Peptides can do that. So you definitely want products that contain that. And also retinols, because they too reverse sun damage. It can really speed up collagen production in the skin. So that's the long-term solution that we want to use, and I have a couple of products that I want to recommend to you for that. The first is Revision Skincare DEJ Eye Cream, and this is packed with peptides that you can use twice a day to really help build up that collagen and elastin in your skin. Now, the other product that I want to recommend is a retinol and ferulic acid formulation, and that's Dr. Dennis Gross Triple Corrective Eye Serum. So this is a serum that you're going to use once a day. It's really going to help reverse sun damage and speed up collagen production around the eyes and on the eyelids. And because it's a retinol, it's also going to help with wrinkles around the eyes. Now, I'm going to put links to both of these products down in the video description box. So if you didn't write them down, you can find them at the end of the video. Just scroll down. That way you can check them out at your own leisure. Now, another important aspect of treating crepey skin, and this is really anywhere on the body, is that you've got to protect your skin with a good sunscreen. When it comes to the eyes, we want to be sure we're choosing products that do not have nicotinic acid in them. And the reason for that is that particular ingredient can be very irritating to the skin, cause redness around your eyes. If you've ever been short on facial sunscreen and you've applied a body sunscreen to your face and used it around your eyes, you probably have had that burning sensation. That's what that is. So just be sure and check your labels and make sure that you have a product that does not have that, and you'll be good to go. Now, a good product that I like to recommend for this is Elta MD's SPF 46. The reason for that is it does not contain nicotinic acid. It is designed specifically for use around the eye, so you're gonna get great eye protection from the sun without a lot of greasiness. It's not gonna mess up with your makeup or your other steps in your skincare routine. It's a really good product. Now, if after doing these steps for a while, say a week or two, you're still not happy with the progress you're making with crepey skin on your eyelids, there are a couple of more invasive types of treatments that have to do with laser technology. The first laser technology is non-ablative, which means it does not destroy any skin. It's very, very easy on the skin with no downtime, and that is the Clear Lift Q Switch laser. Again, no downtime with this. It's going to help plump up the skin and spark collagen production, make your crepey skin around your eyes look somewhat better, but you have to continue the treatments for a while. That's sort of the drawback. It's not going to be a one and done. You're going to have 2 or 3 treatments over the course of a couple of weeks. Now, there is another more intensive laser treatment, which is a fractional CO2 laser, which does actually vaporize the outer layers of the skin. It sounds a lot worse than it really is, but it takes those layers off. Because think about it, you can't really put skin peel treatments on your eyelids. Now, the drawback to this particular technology is there is downtime, a good 8 to 23 days before the skin stops peeling. But I will tell you this, it will remove crepey skin on your eyelids completely. And again, I will put links to these 2 treatments down in the video description box so you can go and research them and read about them for yourself. Now, I hope this video has been helpful today in showing you how you can address and actually reverse crepey skin on your eyes and indeed really other places on the body. If it was helpful, please do me a big favor, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below. Also, be sure and check out the Watch Next videos coming up because I have more videos on how to take care of the skin around your eyes for dark circle, hooded eye, puffiness, all of that, and videos on how to perfect your own skincare routine. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay beautiful, keep on glowing, and I'll see you over on the next video.